Good morning, all of you. I am Gautam Sharma, CEO of Agritech Private Limited, and our sales director name is Sangeeta. And please welcome and Kamal. Now we are going to introduce our business. Mm, Our business is Agritech Private Limited. It is it is based on agriculture and technology. Mm, we provide facility to farmer and a small businessman those needs, and we we provide many types of services like transport facility and loan and insurance facilities, storage facilities, and many things we provide. So I am going to give brief on this. So in India is depend India 9 to 10% of GDP is the part of agriculture. So agriculture is the most important thing. So we think that agriculture is good to start business on agriculture. So due to heavy rainfall and many natural disaster, farmer get lost in their business, in their crops. So there many farmers get suicide. More than 3 to 4 lakh farmer die in India per year. So we think that we have to give some we have to take some responsibility for them, and many things that we have observed that if farmer were interested in our she want to join us, so they can go on our website, and they can use our phone number that given, and who farmer they take their membership, they have to pay register first, and registration fees our 999 means 1000, and who register they and who want to sell their crops and who want to join us, they have to also pay membership fee 9900 per year. And we provide seeds on low cost according to market, so they can also enjoy, and many facilities like fertilizers we provide on low cost. Storage charges we provide, many farmers don't have a storage to store their grains, so we provide a storage facility also. And many farmers unable to take their grains in market, so we provide transport facility also, so they can unable to sell their goods and grain whatever they want in the market. And we are we plan that we have to join in India 40 to 15 approx 14 to 15 crore farmers. So we think that we have communicate with 1 crore farmer. Our idea is to join 1 crore farmer with us. So if 1 crore farmer join us, so 1 crore into 1000, so we think we have got more profit. So our business, and why other farmer interested in us, because we are going to take example here like Jio. Jio started in beginning of they, if any person buy a sim of Jio, they can all services are free for some years, for I think 1 year. So many people interested that Jio giving more facility than other companies, so they interact with Jio. And after some time other companies like Airtel, they also come on Jio. Don't both are equal platform, they also have to, because if they are not decrease their value, nobody can interest in them. So Jio people think why we are go Airtel if both are giving same services. So we think that if we are started this first, So many people are starting with us, and if other company want to interested in our, they also started like same business. So people think why we are good theirs if they are giving same facilities. So many who people are started with us, they can, I think they are not go, and whose people not take membership, you have to pay more fees than who take membership. And there I am going to end our topic. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Myself Sangeeta, and my topic is agri-tech business. So we know that in India, India is the second range, who second largest country in this world who produce agriculture in a big range. So this is a very profit in this in agriculture. There is so many profit and low risk because 23% of GDP is dependent on agriculture. So we thought that we will start business with related to agriculture. So we start agri-tech business. In agri-tech business is that business in which we provide some basic needs technology to farmer to produce a best quality grains, wheats, etc. So after this they produce this, and we will buy direct from farmers, and they will give this their product to us directly, because we provide some basic needs like technology and etc. So after this,
all of you. Good morning, my dear friends and respected teacher. Myself Kamal. I am studying in class 11th. Today I want to say something. Today I want to say few lines on agri-tech business. Agri-tech business we want to open. All of you know that farming is important role in our country, and India is the second largest country in whole world. So we are opening the business agri-tech. So we want to start a business on a agri-tech because in our business in our India 50% population is depend on agriculture, and 9 to 10% GDP is also depend on agriculture. So I want to say some few lines like in our India more than 2 lakh people. In our India